So chapter 8, part A. So the question number 1, which of the following statement is true? Number 1, only sole proprietors need to report business income on their personal income tax returns. So highlight sole. Sole means single, right? So single owner basically. So wherever you find only, it means wrong, right? Everybody pay taxes. You understand, right? So only makes it wrong. Only partners must report business income tax. So partners also pay taxes, but only makes it wrong. Third, sole proprietorship means single ownerships, partnerships, and corporations are identical in terms of taxation. Identical means same. So single owner, partners, and corporation pays the same tax. Is that right?
No.
Wrong. Single owners and partners pay the tax same way, right? But corporations tax bracket is different. So corporations pay less taxes as compared to the single owners or the partners. So normally it starts from 18%. That's why rich people, they have corporations, right? Because they want to pay less taxes. Okay? So for none of the above statements are true. So which of the following statement is true? None of the above. I told you, right? So the single owner or the sole owners, right, or the partnership, so they pay tax based on their personal income tax bracket. Do you understand? If I own a pizza store with somebody, right, and I pay tax based on my personal income, right? But if I have a limited company, like a Pizza Hut limited, right? So basically, so the company pays taxes based on the company's tax bracket, and then they further pay to me. For example, I am the manager, owner, so whatever I take, I pay taxes based on my personal there. So then from there we go to question number 6. So question number 6, so you're going to read. Yeah.
Which one of the following type of organization is a separate taxable entity?
So highlight separate taxable entity. So basically who, which one pays a tax separately? Corporations, limited companies, Inc. So it's corporation.